Are you worn out from all the hustle and bustle of everyday life? Sometimes all you want is just to have a rest. But it seems like you can't escape from all the noise surrounding you.
Then using a together and then set it.
How can we get some silence into our busy lives? Introducing Muso, a revolutionary anti-vibration acoustic device. Muso is the first device that applies anti-vibration technology for smooth surfaces. The dedicated neomagnetic system is the soul of Muso. Powered by Billion Sound technology, Muso can generate dynamic, realistic sounds while canceling vibration. These vivid sounds set the scene and drown out intrusive noises. We designed Muso to be streamlined and balanced. It allows Muso to generate an even vibration towards the attached surface. With the TPE material, Muso can be stuck and repositioned onto any surface. You can turn every area into your own personal place. Give Muso a gentle touch and you will be able to feel the magic. A magic you never would have imagined coming out of a sound device. Just control Muso with your smartphone, switch on the Serenity mode, and enjoy some relaxing time. Have there been times you were worried people around you could hear what you were saying? By switching to the secret mode, Muso can help you to protect your speech privacy. Even when out in public, you can enjoy a great conversation without worrying about people eavesdropping. Even in a busy city, Muso takes you on a journey far from the hardships of everyday life. Switch to sleep mode and set your personal sound field. Muso will then minimize the disturbance and start to decorate your bedroom according to your preference. You can now truly enjoy a sweet night under your ideal environment. Escape from the world and set your mood. Muso creates your own personal zone of silence.
Traveling is a blast. What's not fun is filling our bags with underwear, or worst of all, running out of a fresh pair just when you need it. That's why we created Silver Air, a revolutionary new underwear that doesn't smell, so you can pack lighter and stay fresh longer. Our secret is pure silver, the same silver that's used in hospitals and even in spacesuits for its antimicrobial properties. It prevents the growth of odor and keeps your gear fresh over long periods of time. So go ahead, grab 2 pairs, put them in your bag, and you'll be set for the week. To create the most comfortable fabric, we used a 17.5 micron premium merino wool, which feels softer than your most comfortable cotton underwear while delivering better performance than anything you've ever worn. It even regulates temperature, so no matter where you go, your jewels will stay cool, dry, and insanely comfortable. Best of all, the silver is permanently bonded into the fabric and will last the life of the product. Finally, there's this, something all guys can relate to. So we created Smart Grip, which uses soft silicone beads to provide just the right amount of hold so your underwear doesn't ride up. And instead of being these guys, you can be that guy. From the smart design to the beautiful craftsmanship, we've thought about every single detail. And trust us, in the process of creating the ultimate travel underwear, we just made the best damn underwear for daily wear. Boom.
Hi, my name is Eric Bell, founder of HEMA Imaging. Our company gives homeowners and trades professionals the ability to detect and understand invisible problems in homes, offices, and buildings using augmented thermal imaging. Everything around us gives off invisible light based on heat. Thermal imaging shows us images of these temperatures. Through research, I realized that any thermometer or thermal imager can tell you the temperature, but what people need is a tool that processes that data intelligently and diagnoses the situation. Introducing the HemaVision, a self-contained smart thermal imager that calculates and diagnoses situations specific to your needs. For the first time, you won't just have images given to you, but information that will help you decide if something is a concern or within normal limits. All you have to do is point and scan a scene using one of our applications. The HemaVision will then analyze and tag relevant parts of the images automatically. You can then upload the tagged shots to your cloud account for further analysis or reporting. It's that simple. No more guessing whether a temperature is a concern or within normal limits. With your help, we can manufacture a thermal imager that's not only affordable, but easy to use. The technology is out there. It's just understanding how we can utilize it in a way that makes it accessible to everyone. For instance, the image processing engine on the HemaVision relies on a low-power quad-core ARM processor and Linux-based operating system. Using our expertise in image processing, we have developed applications that use algorithms based on computer vision and the physics of heat transfer, evaporation, and other processes to solve specific problems. Instead of relying on a microbolometer, which needs a shutter to periodically stop and calibrate, we use a thermal diode array which does not have this limitation. Furthermore, we've evaluated all the affordable thermal cores and selected the one with the lowest noise level, with even better sensitivity than arrays with double the resolution. A quick charge battery provides over 4 hours of continuous use. Control it with an intuitive touchscreen interface or the front buttons. Built-in Wi-Fi access points so you can stream images to any connected web browser. A robust case that can withstand different environmental conditions. The HemaVision has all these powerful features and excellent sensitivity despite being under 1/6 the cost of a typical thermal imager. Consulting with professionals, we've developed scripts that will look at different scenarios. Detecting if there are circuit breakers that need to be replaced immediately or if they're just running a little warm. Expose whether or not the inside of a wall is moist or damp, or let you know if there is a more serious leak that will require a professional. Find where in your home it makes most sense to invest in improvement costs in order to save money in the long run. Funding will go to manufacturing, design of our next circuit board, industrial design of the case, certification of the final HemaVision, and packaging. We've kept our costs down because we want to bring to market a product that will revolutionize thermal imagers by making them easy to use with or without the training provided today. Homeowners and professional tradesmen will find the HemaVision to be the ultimate diagnostic tool. This is a big change for the thermal imaging world. We relied on many sources as we developed the original concept. We most recently had a booth and announced the HemaVision at Consumer Electronics Show 2015. CES was a great opportunity to meet with key players in the thermal imaging industry and refine the HemaVision design with the many people we met with. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we'll answer it as soon as possible. After the campaign ends, we will also post bi-monthly updates on our progress. Join us now in making the HemaVision a reality and be the first to start using this new technology.
Hi, I'm Zach from iSmartAlarm. For the last 3 years, we've been a leader in smart home security, and we know you have concerns when it comes to smart home technology. It's complicated, inflexible, and confusing, and in the end, it all just costs too much. We've created a camera that solves all of these problems. Meet Spot. Spot is more than just your average security camera. It's the future of smart home automation.
Spot is packed with all the features you'd expect in a smart home camera. Night vision, HD resolution, motion and sound detection, push notification alerts, cloud and local video storage, and we've even brought new innovative features to the market to truly separate Spot from the competition.
When we designed Spot, we wanted to be more than a security camera. In addition to preventing burglaries, we want Spot to work with your existing smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Spot recognizes these alarms using our pattern panning algorithm and notifies you immediately of the dangers. From there, you can use Spot to see what's going on and take action if needed.
For years, we've focused on the ease and control of DIY monitoring. Spot continues this trend from the moment it's taken out of the package.
Received Wi-Fi information. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Spot's flexibility and ease of installation makes it a snap to place Spots anywhere and everywhere in your home.
We cap events in a cool way with Spot's time-lapse feature.
You can even keep your pets in line with Spot's two-way audio capabilities. Hey, get off the couch!
Spot works by itself, with multiple spots, and with the entire iSmart Alarm family of products. We've made the best smart home camera out there. And with your help, we can make it even better with the stretch goals we have outlined below.
Spot has all the features that you'd expect from a smart home camera, and more.
Spot is a huge advancement over other smart home cameras, and the cost is unmatched.
Spot's just a lot of fun, and it makes sure you, your family, and your home are safe and sound.
Take a look at the information below on Spot's features, capabilities, app controls, and more. And then, pick a Spot.